Russian forces in the Belgorod area targeted a damaged and abandoned M1 Abrams tank belonging to the Ukrainian army. A large crater and the destroyed right track suggest the tank struck a mine, took damage, and was subsequently abandoned. 2 FPV drones were vectored in, both aiming for the rear of the turret, targeting the ammo rack. That was just the first part of the strike. Ukrainian forces later sent a BREM-1 armored recovery vehicle to tow the tank, but it too became a target of an FPV drone. The drone struck the front side of the engineering vehicle. It's worth noting that the Abrams was hit by a radio-guided drone, while a wire-guided drone struck the BREM-1, indicating that the Abrams was engaged from a considerable distance. The poor video quality further supports the possibility that a repeater drone was used in the operation. Still, notice the level of protection this armored beast has, standing tall in the open, waiting for the drones to finish the job. Why was it necessary for Ukrainian forces to recover the tank? First, the number of Abrams tanks in service is extremely low. Second, the damage was relatively minor. It was just a mine blast under the right track. With some quick repairs, the tank could have been returned to service.